Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the handbrake on your Hyundai automatic car. So you can see I'm in the drive mode right now. So to apply the handbrake, just put the gear to the neutral, and then here is this parking button here. So just pull it towards you and the handbrake will be applied, and then just shift the gear to the parking gear like this. Okay, so this is how you can apply the parking brake on your automatic Hyundai car. So once again, you need to shift the gear to neutral and then push this parking button towards you, and then shift the gear to the parking mode here. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.